We're live.
We are live. We are live. All right. Gue medal volotio nigmadut.
Oh, hello, Dick. Yeah.
Oh yes. Jilida hulda siya de kisit ko iwi giskoga. Tegoyuk si giskog Bernie Francis. Bernie giskog tegoyuk si. Bernie's with us today. Thank you everyone for being part of our 2023 Kina'matnewey's online Christmas concert. Medal volotio gue. And there's Bernie.
Wait. Yeah.
So our first, all right. So our first on our lineup is grade 5, member 2, aha, eltemi det gizap nivialasid monk. And it's a video.
Good.
All right. Yep. Oh, well dahig. Di well dahig. Galug delada hadio.
Ada Nui sutti juga.
Eh,
Ke telada di.
beautiful. Beautiful. Asquada di gedug tandali announce adu ba Bernie?
All right, goodbye. Mukhas with this nubla. Okay.
Oh yes, hashkinek nila.
All right.
Kaswades tumanna.
Yeah, naginawa this.
Eh,
All right. Ulani a grade 3 what was you guys? Tell we sigon no we took ulcer to cook. Kadua tell go how do we di young we took Bear River. Nengamokel de midich Jingle Bells.
all right, Bear River, you're up.
Bear River, the Bear River singers, Ulcer to cook singers. Munu dua hike.
Oh, can't hear you.
Yeah. Kina'matnewey too, did you get it?
Oh.
Sudah Kilal one? Oh. Alwyn?
Sort of hear them.
Alwyn?
Hi, Emily.
Hi.
Hey,
Yeah.
we couldn't really hear you. I don't know if there's like noise canceling or something.
Yeah, Emily, they should do it again.
So stop. I need everybody to be quiet. Everybody. Can you hear me speaking at all?
Yes, I can hear you
Yes.
speaking quite clearly.
Oh, but you can't hear when we sing.
No,
Well,
so you can try it again.
we will.
I can hear some voices in the background there now.
Okay. All right.
Yeah,
We will do a shortened version and we will try once again.
yeah.
Yes.
All right.
Here we go. Everybody over here?
Mm.
Look, guys, we're just gonna do dash.
Emily,
Yes,
what key are you playing it in?
we're playing it in C.
Okay, sí, señora.
Sí, senora. Dash and then big mom. Okay, oh, let's do it the whole way right. Listen. If you can't hear us, just put your hand up and we'll stop.
All right, okay, okay.
Okay, 1, 2, ready, let's go.
Nope,
Stand.
I don't know what's going on. There's something to do with the sounds, microphones or something. Whatever it is you have is working well, but not seem to be working with the little ones.
Okay,
I don't know what.
or internet here.
Oh, that might be it. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
I don't know what else we can do.
Hey, Emily.
Yeah. Go ahead,
Question.
Alwyn.
I'm gonna screen share and show some settings that she can try. Okay. So Julian is gonna screen share right quick, and he's gonna share some settings that you guys can try.
Okay, good, all right.
Okay, good.
Yeah. So we're just gonna screen share very quickly, folks. We're gonna.
They're looking, changing our screen so they can hear us.
Can't show that.
Okay.
Okay. We're live.
Just bear with us for 1 minute here.
No, not Bear with us, Bear River.
Trying to fix this.
Okay. So Emily, can you see the screen?
Yes, we can.
All right, so Julian's just pointing there, if able, to
Okay.
click live performance audio.
Okay.
All
So
right.
Audio in settings.
Adios.
go to audio and then live performance audio.
Yes.
Okay. So. Let's go.
And just a note for anyone that also is on Zoom that's doing any live entertainment, just keep that in mind. Just if you can, go to your settings, go down to audio, and then click live performance audio.
Hmm.
That way Zoom won't try to cancel out the background noise on you or anything like that.
Next to Waddle.
Let me go back to. I don't go back to. I was just hitting settings. Oh, back to where?
Nice.
Okay, there's where we are.
I see you, Miss Emily.
Put in here. Where is the settings button? In my main settings?
I see going.
Are you on a computer or an iPad?
I'm on a computer.
Okay,
There's up on top, there's a bar that says set up professional audio.
so
Oh, there it goes.
so where there's the little microphone, there should be a menu right next to the microphone on the screen, and on the bottom of that,
And then keep scrolling.
audio settings.
Alwyn,
Okay,
Now-
how's
go ahead. Go ahead, Emily.
we?
Did you
We-
click the part where it says live performance?
Yep, we put it on live performance.
Okay, good.
All right.
Let's give her a try.
Yeah.
Ready, guys?
Yeah.
Here. Hogan, just put your hand up if it doesn't work.
All right.
Rain, looking this way. Everybody, third finger, third cross. Strumming 4 times. Emerson, 1, 2, ready, let's strum.
Nope. You dodge a kill, Alwyn? Only want the peso that I can have on mine. Alwyn. Oh. There.
I was able to hear some parts and I was able to hear the bells.
Oh, I am sorry.
That's okay.
A little bit is better than nothing.
Yes, that's the way to look at it, Emily. Yeah, I
How-
love the bells and I love the little ukuleles. They're
Yeah.
awesome.
Excellent.
So I suppose, just looking at the time, we're going to continue on our list.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. We'll continue. Love the dancing, guys. We're gonna move on our list. Next up, we have grade primary for Pictou Landon. Pictuk. Eltemide. Well das walu. Awogajit stohanjij.
Yeah,
Oh, am I no, I'm not muted. Okay, good.
that's it.
All right.
Yes,
So
yes.
Pictuk.
Yeah.
Kiskajol tiyo.
Big sin, big sin, big sin. The boy does follow big sin. Ula geska. What does? Oh, gadget. So let's go. What gets the sun? Jesus wet. Mera nice. Can make us so wet. Oh, gadget, sun is so wet. Well, yesterday, nothing said or nothing said. Let's get a look away. What did you want? You want? Well, yesterday ada. Yeah. Well, yesterday ada. Well, yesterday. Yeah.
Oh, well, dahil.
Oh,
Ilog tila radio.
yep.
Osidloti. All right.
Next one.
Next one, it.
You get play Pictuk.
Member two.
Member two video. Oston G. Okay, the member two go on here. LT meeting. Oston G. Oh, little tree. Yay. Woo. Woo.
Oh, well, dahil. Ilog tila radio. Member two. Grade
Thank
one,
you, member
two.
two. Well, Ali, thank you. Good
Oh,
job.
well, aliak, yeah.
Good job.
Next up, grade 5 and 6. Pictou Landon School, Jesuit School, Eltemid, Elbadu Jishka, Ebide Jishk. You're up, Pictou. Oh,
Now,
Make a sound. Hello? Hello?
ready? One, two. Yep. Hooray!
Okay, and then you guys gonna drink this.
You guys need to be between that plant and where Elton's at, okay? So
Scoot a little more. Are you ready?
you need to come in this way. Someone needs to come to the front a little bit.
Yeah, there you go.
Come in. This way. Good.
Ready?
Ige update me, did you badu kahay bigay
Ehe.
Okay. Okay.
This song won't play. Okay, just sing how you have it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Must be done.
Hooray!
Oh, well, the heck. Well, the heck. Look at picture. What's
Good
the
job. Good job, Picto.
Eh.
Yeah. You get medewaski yahawa, get it? And then was you? Medewaski ya.
Wahash, nemidu. Medibinagia.
Oh, you're done. Medewaski ya. Medewaski ya, did you?
Ah, Eltemi da. Yes, we are
Yeah.
ready.
We got him.
Nobody likes a grump at Christmas. Eltemi.
Nobody likes a grump at Christmas. Nobody likes a grump, and it's clear. Well, nobody likes a grump that smiles turned upside down. That takes a smile away my cheer. Oh, nobody likes a grump at Christmas. Christmas is a giving time of year. Christmas opens up our hearts, and blessings come with every joy we bring. When the Christmas spirit starts, nobody likes him, nobody likes him, nobody likes him at Christmas.
Oh, well, the heck.
Oh my God.
Love that song. I never heard that song, I don't think. It's my
Ah,
first.
neat.
Uncle Snudum.
Yeah, beautiful song. What the?
Yeah, well, all right, next up we have grade 4, member 2, Eltemi de Ule and Niska Mijuaji, and it's a video. All righty, take it away, member 2, Malbel 2.
Good job.
Well, the heck, that was beautiful. That's one of my
Beautiful.
favorite Christmas songs. Well,
Yeah,
I love them all.
beautiful. Running
All right, Lynn LSK next.
El temi di sto jingle bells o mo.
Mm.
No wiktuk is na aglasia wiktuk be mo gaji do garap chijitas no abokchik.
Eh.
Yes.
All right, LSK, you're up.
Can you guys hear us?
Great, yeah, great primary LSK, jingle
And you-
bells.
Can you guys hear us?
We can hear you.
Yes, I
Okay.
can hear you, Sherry. Is that you, Sherry?
Yes, yes. All right.
Yes, we can hear you. We can see you.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Thank you.
Thank you, Sherry. Wala lieg.
Thank you very much. Good job. Good job.
Oh, yep.
Victor, go on, you get it?
Okay. All right. So just a quick announcement before we move any further. Those of you especially who are using Zoom and using instruments, if you can look at the screen, pull it up in the settings, you might have to go to the little microphone, click the menu, go to audio, and then scroll down and click original sound for musicians. And sadly, some couple of the live performances, the Zoom must be blocking out the instruments on the musicians. We can hear the voice. You can slightly hear the singing, but it's like the instruments are Zoom. It's Zoom. Zoom is blocking out the instruments. So if you can go to audio, down to original sound for musicians, and we'll try that. Sorry about the technical difficulties. Meskoltiek. Technology, eh? All right, so without further ado, grade 1 and 2, Pictou Landon, are you ready for Giskuk and Sunday class is coming to town?
Song of Disco, I think.
Pictou, Gilonet, Pictou?
Can you guys say wave?
Yes, Nemulo.
All right, ready, guys?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Whoa, technical difficulties. Mind
Jump
me.
scare.
Okay,
Jump
are you
scare.
ready?
Yeah. Jump scare. Jump scare. Kiskuk najujuane, lawan discovery watching. Kiskuk najujuane, Sunday, also gathered, discuss, watching.
We're all done with that one. All right. Ready for the next one? This is gonna be, and you're watching me, right? Back up, Landon. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You better watch out. You better not pout. I'm telling you what. Santa Claus
Oh, well done, beautiful. Well
Good
done.
job.
Good job. Galuk Dalada Hadio.
Nige grade 5 LSK school again. Any more discard potijik?
I guess so.
Good.
All right. Can you hear? Here, what have you guys done?
Hi.
Can you hear them?
Eh,
Okay. Ready?
Uh-oh. Me, but my name is I'm just the old man guy, but it seems like he's not worth the shot. So I said, let it go. My name is Jen, and my name is Rose. And our son Wesley kind of glows, and that's not good. So we suppose we should let it grow, let it grow, let it grow. You can't reap what you don't show. When we see the inside of the earth, just one way to know it's worth. Let's celebrate the world's labor. We say let it grow.
Woo.
We're still going. Hold on.
Oh, I got gray hair. But I remember in trees everywhere. No, I had to pay for it. So I say, let it grow, let it grow, let it grow. Like you did so long ago. One kind of city, but it's all we really need. It's kind of here, that's all we need. So let it grow. My name's O'Hare, I'm one of you. I live here in Speedville too. The things you say that might be true. It could be time to start anew. Change my point of view. Nah, I said let it die, let it die, let it die, let it shrivel up and die. Come on, who's hit me now? You greedy girl, let it grow, let it grow. It's the outside to show. When you speak inside the earth, there's no way to know it's worth. Let's celebrate the ones we worth. We say let it grow. Let it go, let it go. Like it did so long ago. But it's all we really need. So your soul. Your soul. We said love, say we said love, it's a brand new dawn.
oh, awesome. Good job, guys. Beautiful. Well done. Well, Ali, LSK. Next up, we're supposed to have Learning Center 1A in Eskizoni, but I'm going to ask Uncle Bernie to sing us a song.
Okay. Ooh.
All right.
Que j'ai le thème long, mais excuse-moi.
Kito hadigo this time. No.
All right.
Ah.
Baduji, Shahebi Deji, Abuk Chigika, the Dow, then the Dow quid down, Mekudalido, Yes, Najibas Mida, the Jixermo, Dandeli Mulo, Abu Chigika, the Dow Lewade. Daule quididao me kudalido Dias najibas midades Pas mida hogilo Chiksid magudik menahanige Wilit para wantating Abuk jiks andiklas dudu adis Naulat teu Wabidahan na wesa si welkan kahan al baru di kahedi deji kulini biala sedmadida wasmida gilo tiksid magudik menakanike welit para undapte Book chicks and dictas dudu adis in aulat del wabidahan wesan si welkan kahan al baru di rahebi dedi kulini biala sedmadida al baru di rahebi dedi kulini biala sedmadida Now,
Oh, what the heck?
oh, wala liyo.
All right. Next up, we have a video from K4 Medibinagiach.
You put your hose in, you put your hose out, you put your hose in, and you shake it all about. You get your pokey and you throw yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your antlers in, you put your antlers out, you put your antlers in, and you shake them all about. That's what it's all about. You put your tails in, you put your tails out, you put your tails in, and you shake it all about. You put and turn yourself around. That's what that's all about. You put your red nose in, you put your red nose out, you put your red nose in, and you shake it all about. You do your green cookie and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about.
Woo!
Oh, what the heck? Medibinagiach.
Good job, good job. Delo della radio.
All right, so just bear with us for 1 second. We have an announcement to make. We're just grabbing our couple files here that we have to make an announcement on. All right, so we're going to announce the Christmas card winners. So just bear with me for 1 moment here. We're just pulling them up. Sangban Nudan, Bernie?
Mahawas manigap, miskum jelu giap.
Oh,
Yes, studied mo pipa ni mina sa pemlu someone.
Oh, yes. Okay, I think we're just about ready here to make the announcement. Uh-oh. Noah Mar. Do we say the names of the? All right. So okay, I don't know if you guys can hear me.
How
Yes.
much?
So first up, Noah Mar from in K2. He's the winner of this category. I think it's K to 2. And then next up, we have Dana John in the category of 3 to 5. These are the Christmas card winners. Congratulations. Oh, behind the scenes. Just bear with us 1 second here. Technical difficulties, we'll call it. Bear with us for another moment. Yeah. No. Okay. The other next winner is Ava Paul, grades 6 to 8. Wow, that looks like a what are they called? Elf on the Shelf. Wow. Uno Elf on the Shelf.
Wow,
Well, it.
boy, beautiful art.
And then Joyce Gould from in the category of 9 to 12. Beautiful art. Wow, you guys are artists. Congratulations to everyone. And thank you to everybody who submitted their artwork. All beautiful artwork. And congratulations to the winners. Walaliek. And
Thank
congrats.
you. Well, Ali said, good,
Yeah.
beautiful art, beautiful.
Yes. Beautiful, beautiful art. Wisway wo anyway, Lena and Aish. Elucid net Picasso.
Yeah, Van Gogh.
Yeah.
Can you ask? This is a grade 1 LCK school.
Sorry.
Grade 1 LCK school. Can you see us? Is this the online concert?
Yes,
Yes.
So is it our time or we had to wait? Is it grade 1 that froze?
Oh, grade 1 LSK. You're not up yet, but we will announce the each class or grade as they're up. So,
Okay, so you
next
read-
up
read-
we have grade primary member 2, and they're singing Jujueshko, and it's a video.
yeah, and we'll get to LSK two shows from here. So hang on and we'll get to you. Woo! Hooray.
All right, hooray. Galuk Delana Hadio. Up next.
The next one, grade 3 to 4, pick to Cleotijik from Pick to Landing, and they're going to sing Which Go with Sunday Class. Ah, nice
2,
Christmas.
3.
West Santa Claus, West Santa Claus, pick to God. West Cola, Mishka, it's it, you are Jesus. Did West go, and stick on your head. But no nothing, I went to see Santa Claus, West go red. West Santa Claus, West Santa Claus, pick to God. West Cola, Mishka, it's it, you are Jesus. Did West go, and stick on your head. But no nothing, I went to see Santa Claus, West go red.
Awesome, guys. Okay, we're gonna start our next one very quickly, okay?
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. I got a hunch
that it's gonna be a nice Christmas this year, yeah. I got a hunch that it's gonna be a nice Christmas this year. Everybody sing la 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 la. Everybody sing ho 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 ho. Everybody sing jingle jingle. It's a nice Christmas. Me and my friends are hanging out. It's the things we like to do. Being together is what it's about. Merry Christmas to me and you. I got a hunch that it's gonna be a nice Christmas this year, yeah. I got a hunch that it's gonna be a nice Christmas this year. Everybody sing la 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 la. Everybody sing ho 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 ho. Everybody sing jingle-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. It's a nice Christmas.
Me and
My friends are hanging out. It's a thing we like to do. And together it's what it's about. Merry Christmas to me and you.
Woo!
I got a hunch that it's gonna be a nice Christmas this year, yeah. I got a hunch that it's gonna be a nice Christmas this year. I got a hunch that it's gonna be a nice Christmas this year, yeah. I got a hunch that it's gonna be a nice Christmas this year.
Oh, well done. Good job. Up next, we have grade 1
Noise.
LSK.
Ella, like that's for a hockey game. It's not for coloring.
Hello.
LSK, are you ready?
Yes, grade 1 LSK. Are you ready? You're up. Oh, you have to unmute. Sorry. In the
coming.
video, we can't see you.
Where are you coming? You can't see us?
Yeah.
No, we can't see you yet.
Okay.
Yep, no worries.
Ready?
Take your time.
Let's stop it. Okay. Sit down. Sit down. Shh. No, sit there, put it on those chairs. Jimmy, sit there. Okay, so. Shh. Okay, sit down. Look nice. Coming. Can you see us now?
No?
Okay, I think we can see you now.
Oh, there you are.
He's just pinning you to the, there we go. Now we can see you. Awesome.
Okay, that's good.
Yep.
Okay.
Hello?
That-
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, we had a good stay. Wait. Wait. You go for my hands and then remember to do this one. Okay, let's go. Wait.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy year. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.
Stand up.
Can you see kids on there now? Oh, gosh.
Yeah. Let's start. Christmas Eve.
Christmas is here.
We going to. We going
Yay.
Funny how you say that. Haha.
That was awesome. Geluk die, what the heck?
Where's as
Beautiful.
will dog?
Up next. Oh, does LSK have one more? Oh,
No.
LSK, can you unmute? If you have one more?
Och they'll dela Mike. They'll dela middle school go on. You remember to.
Oh, okay, they're done. I'm
Yeah.
I gotta put my microphone here. Keep there we go. All right. Middle school in member 2 up next. It's a video and they're singing Obadu Jishk. Ach ebide Jishk.
Yeah.
Wow. Good job, good job.
Wow,
Well
what the heck?
done.
Beautiful. Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah. Yeah. Nige wamat kugawa.
Yeah.
Grade 5. Del we see rocking around the Christmas tree. Del den and Brenda Leo hold up. So we're ready when you are. Gisap bogo inudo ajigol balwin.
Um, hey, Brittany, we can't hear you. Sorry,
Just stop.
Miss Kate.
Okay, I think we're having the same issue for whatever reason. I did all the music version or studio version on settings and
Yep.
it's still not working. I'll see if they can do it with, if I mute their music and if it's just them singing,
Okay,
I'll check. I'll see if that works.
sure.
Okay, you guys can still follow along here. Okay, so when it starts highlighting, you guys start singing.
Rockin'.
Not yet.
When you hear without peace and around the Christmas tree. Spirit. When you get messy, don't get
Wow, awesome. Well done.
Good job, good job.
All right. Up next, we're supposed to have Learning Center, Escazoni 9 to 12, but I'm going to put Uncle Bernie on the spot again to sing us
Okay.
another tune, if he doesn't mind.
No, not at all. I'm not choking now.
All right, take it away, Bernie.
All right. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año, felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año, felicidad. Era way il mulino welewi. Era way il mulino welewi. Era way il mulino welewi. Na haweji yan kamulamu. Era way il mulino welewi. Era way il mulino welewi. Era way il mulino welewi. Na haweji yan kamulamu. Mulino welewi. Molino welewi, Molino welewi, ahani daptut buzubunane. Ow, Molino welewi, Molino welewi, Molino welewi, ahani daptut buzubunane. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. And I Molino welewi. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. And away you and away you and away you
Oh, what the heck, Uncle Bernie? Wala liek.
Thank you. Well are you? Well are you?
Yeah. Up next, we have grade 2. I'll help them meet in Rudolph. Remember 2 video.
Okay. Okay.
Rudolph, let them change! Mrs. Stunty!
Woo! Good job.
Oh, what the heck. Beautiful.
Mga yung lual when you them one time guy del day them gisil we go by gori da dai na nag mo del day up neck Rudolph Megis Honat Halibu.
Oh, they'll dare him, geese, no them.
Pibani
Eh.
ma noy pibani ma des no katani Raul des karuti samoro.
Oh, yes, eh. Oh, homework kami no, idugnig mo, el temo ga.
Deli afterward.
Eh.
Asani gisamun.
Oh, yes.
Ayun, again, best money. Nige Delaware grades 10, 12, beginner guitar escazoni. Silent night at day immediate. One pa.
Oh, maho?
Oh,
We're
may
moving
mo
to
di
K4?
They're not, I don't think they're there.
Oh, mo the data mo not speak. So K4 do.
Okay. K4 video escazonia. Yeah. Video. Okay. Yeah, meske. Sabi ko din, nige del tega muy mo din ang giskuk skuk.
Okay.
Yeah.
Zahaduna agwisen, 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 Zahaduna agwisen, Dan tuju dewiye, Zalagikna dehebot, 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 Zalagikna dehebot.
All right. Well done. Up next, we have K5 Medabinagia, and it's a video. Oh, member to school. Oh, Miss K.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Chugu when is come to lose it. Qu'est-ce qu'elle est sur le ticket? Oui, vous dites, you done jigal one? Yeah. Whoop. Isab qu'est-ce qu'elle est? Oh.
We'll start that over.
Beautiful. Beautiful. But I got Dick G. That was
Oh,
great.
what the heck did on?
Yeah. Excellent. Nigeria, grade 1 and 2. Mawiptechka wadulaning video Medebenagia LT Medic up on the house cup.
All right.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who would go? Ho, 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 who would go? Up on the housetop.
Very good.
Ooh, well done, Hector.
But like that done. Very good.
All right. Well, I guess that's a wrap, and that concludes our 2023 Mi'kmaq Kina'matnewey's online Christmas concert. Until next year. Well, Ali Bernie gisit ko giskok.
يعني ولا لي واسي ديال مية.
Oh yes. To all the participants, all the classes and grades who took part in the Christmas card winners, congratulations. Ajib Jululo Humsid. Willing to be ala Sudumadino.
Yep.
I hope you all have a wonderful Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year too.
help you.
Panawije. Signing off until 2024, folks.
Okay.
Multosov.
The more next